Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook notifications that aren't working. So first you need to open your iPhone's settings and then go to notifications. Then you need to find Facebook and make sure allow notifications is enabled. Next, open Facebook and go to settings and privacy. Then open the notification settings and make sure the type of notifications you want are enabled. You also need to check that do not disturb or focus mode isn't preventing Facebook notifications from appearing. And if notifications still aren't working, then try signing out and signing back into Facebook. And as a final step, you can reinstall the Facebook app if necessary. So that was how to fix Facebook notifications not working. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.